Alright, let's talk about using Pythagoras theorem to solve three-dimensional problems like this one. Jerry has to post this 75cm long piece of pipe. This is the box that he's got. Will it fit in there? So in other words, this corner down to this corner needs to be at least 75 centimeters so that the black pipe here can fit inside the box. Now, can we work out what that distance is to know whether or not this is going to fit his 75cm pipe? Let's find out. I can create some right angle triangles here. First of all, on the bottom of the box. So this diagonal across the bottom of the box, because I've got a right angle here. So now I've created a right angled triangle. Now the reason I do that is I need to know this length first of all so that I can create a second right angled triangle. We'll get to that in a second. First step, find the diagonal across the bottom of the container, in this case the box. I know this length is 20 centimeters, this is 50. Now I can use Pythagoras because I've got a short side, another side, to work out the length of this side, which is the hypotenuse. So let's use my well, before we get to that, the reason I would do that is now that I've got this bottom length here, I've created a vertical right angle triangle. Okay, so by finding that length, the hypotenuse of the bottom, the flat one, becomes the base of the vertical one. Right? And I've also got some dimensions here. I know this is 50. If I know this, then I've got enough to work out the hypotenuse of the vertical triangle. So it's x that we're wanting to know. Alright, let's do it. X is, I know, the square root of 20 squared plus 50 squared. So that's just an application of Pythagoras' theorem that you should know from earlier videos or earlier lessons. So I can work out an x value of 53.85. So this length here is 53.85. How does that help me solve this? Well, now I've got a vertical of 50, a flat distance here of 53.85, I can use a second application of Pythagoras to work out the hypotenuse of this vertical triangle, which happens to be the length that we're looking for inside the box. So if I was to substitute those values in, the 50 and the 53.85, into my Pythagoras, I get a value of 73.48. Now, that is the distance from this point through the box up to this top corner here. Now my pipe was 75 centimeters long. Is it going to fit? No, the pipe is too long. Sorry, Jerry, you're going to have to get another box.